Yeah. Ma'am, please.
Yeah. A very good afternoon to all. This is Manjula Sri, heading the Department of EIE. Welcome to the Department of EIE and the family of VNR. First of all, I congratulate all of you for taking admission in the Department of EIE at VNR VJIAT. I wish all of you be placed with your dream job or admitted at your dream university for higher education at the end of 4 years of your blissful journey at VNR VJIAT. Before introducing myself, I would like to talk about the department in brief. The branch of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering is originated in the Department of ECE at VNR VJIET in the year 1999 with an intake of 60 students. Later in 2000, it's established as Department of EIE by former professor of Andhra University and SK University, Professor Rajaratnam Garu. Department has started PG in Electronics and Instrumentation in 2010 with an intake of 18, and BTech intake has been enhanced to 120 students in 2011. The department is accredited by NBA in 2008, 2013, 2016 and 2019, and also accredited by NAC in 2012 and 2018. The department is recognized as NA Academy in 2013 by National Instruments, and 23 students are certified with the prestigious CLAD certification under this lab. The strength of the faculty is 27 faculty members are there with 30% PhDs and 63% of the faculty are pursuing PhDs. 2 of the faculty members are deputed for PhD under QAP to various prestigious higher education institutions. The department has faculty expertise in the domains of process control instrumentation, automation, signal and image processing, biomedical instrumentation, embedded systems, Internet of Things, robotics, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. The experience of the faculty is ranging from 3 years to 22 years. With an average experience of 11.5 years. And the faculty are publishing various technical research papers in various national and international journals and conferences. There are over 200 publications, including Scopus and Web of Science indexed papers with citations over 550. Department has received grants, research grants from AICTE, UGC, MSME, worth 32 lakhs under various schemes. Department has 2 patents on automatic roti making machine and on automatic airlock removal system. 3 faculty members are supervising 6 PhD scholars. Department is in MOU with many organizations in order to exchange the technical knowledge in terms of projects, offering projects, sharing their infrastructures to be utilized by the students for projects, and exchange of the knowledge from the industrialists. And a few to name are National Instruments, Polman Industries Private Limited, Eluco Limited, J Robotics, Soroka Soft, and these are the few organizations. And the curriculum is enriched with advanced technology contents like robotics, automation, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data analytics, cloud computing, Internet of Things, and programming skills in Python and R to provide employability skills, and also courses like pharmaceutical instrumentation, pollution control and process industries to meet the social requirements. Department also offers certification courses in Python programming, robotics, automation, Internet of Things, networking, VLSI design, and design thinking being offered to the students to bridge the gap between the institution and the industry. Students are assigned lab-based projects for the assessment of technical and practical skills, which makes you which facilitates you to go for project competitions, participate in hackathons, etc. right from first year. There are 20 social impact projects, 66 research projects, and 109 industry-oriented projects in the past 5 years in the department. Students attend internships at KTPS, NTPS, BHEL, ECIL, NRSC, DRDO, VSP, ZF, GE, and also at IIT Hyderabad and IIIT Hyderabad. The average pass percentage is more than 80% in the last 5 years. This you will understand later. 80% of the eligible students are placed in campus drive. There are more than 400 placement offers in the last 5 years with the highest pay package of 24 lakhs and average of 4.5 lakhs per annum. 10% of the students opt for higher education in universities at United States, Germany, Australia and Canada. And of course in India also. Students bagged 11 ISY gold medals offered to the toppers in academics among all instrumentation students in Telangana in the past 16 years from the inception of the medal by ISY Hyderabad chapter. So department is actively organizing co-curricular events under Instrument Society of India Student Chapter. We in short call as ISY Student Chapter, which is exclusive for instrumentation students. And all the students and faculty members are members of ISY. And the students also participate in the professional society activities like ISTE, IETE and IEEE. Students also participate in sports and cultural activities in and outside the institution, and they have won many prizes. Exclusively the students of instrumentation engineering bagged many medals and prizes under this caption. The department is well established with virtual industry emulated instrumentation laboratories, along with electronics and computer labs. The instrumentation labs are the virtual industries rather. They are replicating the models of the industries in the institution. Department has 10 physical academic labs, which you will be viewing them as a video. One research lab and one center of excellence with equipment worth more than 2 crores. We established 4 new labs, a basic simulation lab, embedded systems lab, process control automation lab and robotics lab in the past 5 years. The alumni of EIE are at reputed organizations like Intel, Oracle, iRobot abroad and DRDO, HPCL, ONGC, Dr. Reddy Labs, GE, Texas Instruments, India. Good number of alumni are also serving as entrepreneurs. So, and if I start the list, it is too long, a very long list about to talk about alumni because 18 batches have been passed out so far. So this is in brief about the department. And as a process, as a next event in this introduction process, the faculty will be introducing themselves. So before that, to talk a few things about myself. So I'm Dr. Manjula Sri. I have pursued my BTech from JNTU Kakinada College of Engineering, MTech from Andhra University College of Engineering, and PhD from JNTU Hyderabad. And I have joined VNR VJIT during 1998 and completing 22 years at VNR VJIT this month. I worked at Vasvi College of Engineering and RGM College of Engineering, Nanjal, before joining VNR. I have worked with retinal image processing, which is said to be a biomedical image processing for my PhD work. I have worked on retinal images for the detection of various retinal diseases under the guidance of a former deputy director of NRSA. I have published more than 26 technical papers, and I have 3 projects at my credit, one from the industry, one from UGC minor project, one is UGC minor project, and I have a research grant from AICT, seminar grant from AICTE, and I'm presently guiding 3 research scholars, and my research interests like biomedical image processing, embedded systems, Internet of Things, machine learning and deep learning. Coming to the academic expertise, I have taught various electronics and instrumentation subjects, and I taught the circuit theory, electronic devices and circuits, computer organization, microprocessors and microcontrollers, and biomedical instrumentation too many times. That's my expertise. So presently I am looking after all the academic and administrative duties in the department, and also the research promotion, research activities in the department. So this is in brief about me. I request the faculty members to introduce themselves. I request Dr. Sridhar sir to introduce himself. Thank you all.
Good afternoon to all the first year students, their parents, and faculty members of VNR VJIT. So I feel proud to be a family member of VNR VJIT as a professor of Electronics and Instrumentation Department. I was joined in this department in the year 2016 after awarded by the PhD from Andhra University. Coming to my educational qualifications, I have done my BTech in Instrumentation Engineering at Andhra University, and in the same department I have done my post-graduation in Industrial Process Instrumentation. Later, I worked as a guest faculty at Andhra University while I am doing my PhD. So I have completed there. I taught PG and graduation subjects also. As and when it was awarded, I got a good opportunity at VNR VJIT. So coming to my professional experiences, I would like to share that I was before coming to here, I was a assistant manager in Vishaka Cooperative Dairy to maintain all the process instruments related to that food industry. And after that, I worked in a few more academic institutions in Andhra Pradesh and Pondicherry, and also now I am working in Telangana. So I worked as assistant professor in Regency Institute of Technology, Yanam, UT of Pondicherry. And there I worked as head of the department. Later I came to Sir C.R. Reddy College of Engineering, Eluru. There I worked as associate professor and head of the department for more than 5 years. And after completion of that, I got an opportunity here. So coming to my research experience, I got 5 lakhs of funding for more drops when I was there in Sir C.R. Reddy College, and now also I am applying for a few more projects, and I am happy to say that I have guided one research scholar in this institution as an opportunity provided by the institute. So this is a small briefing about, and in addition to that, I taught like PG subjects like process control, computer control of process subjects, and also other instrumentation, industrial instrumentation, and electronic related subjects also for graduation as well as post graduation students. So this is a brief introduction about myself. Thank you very much.
Good morning, children. I am very happy to communicate to you people. I am Dr. Vidyasagar, working as a professor in VNR VJIT Department of EIE. So about myself, I received BTech degree in instrumentation from Andhra University, and post-graduation is in control systems from PSG Tech Coimbatore, and I received PhD from Andhra University. My total experience is 20 years. I started my journey with teaching in 2000, I worked in several esteemed organizations, and I worked as head of the department for 7 years, and 1 year I worked as a principal, and then I am working as a professor in VNR VJIT. So in my knowledge, I have seen various platforms across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. This may be the right platform I have seen in my entire career of 20 years. So I feel proud to associate with the department, so that I can say. And I congratulate all you people to come to the Department of EIE, and you elected a very good branch, and I thank you for being that. And I appreciate your commitments. And regarding my research interest, I received my PhD in the domain of medical instrumentation. I worked on brain tumors, both primary and secondary brain tumors, metastasis brain tumors. And after that, I published several manuscripts in various international journals in the domain of embedded systems, I can say strictly. And I received one award, that is Research Excellence Award in the year 2017. And I am quite happy to deliver my subjects in the domain of instrumentation as well as in the electronic field. So I thank you for accepting my words, and I congratulate you all once again. Thank you all. Thank you.
Hi, very good afternoon to one and all. I hope I'm clear to all of you. I'm Dr. S. Pranavanand, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. I have been working in the institute since 2006. Before that, I worked for Aurora Engineering College, Rajalakshmi Engineering College, and other institutes. And I'm very fresh here. Like probably when I joined, I was just having around 3 to 4 years of experience. Now I have been working with this department for probably around 14 plus years. I first congratulate all of you for opting for this branch, because I say this department as a hidden treasure. You know, most of the time people opt for other big branches and then probably struggle to get in. But in my aspect, selecting the proper institute and selecting a proper department is very important. And I personally feel that you people have done a great job by selecting this department. See, you might have seen the department credentials. They have been very good throughout. So we get good input and then we give the best output. So that's how our mantra works. So now coming personally to myself, I completed my PhD in the branch of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from JNTU, Hyderabad. And then my area of expertise is electronics, controls, and automatic control. And I do have applied for 2 patents. And I do have funding grant from Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises that amounts to approximately 8 lakhs. And coming to the publications, I have approximately 20 plus publications to my credit. And I do run my startup company at the institute. So if you are interested in entrepreneur journey, you can definitely meet me. I'll guide you through. And I interact a lot with the outside world, and I have very good contacts with the institutes abroad as well as the industries here. We have been working with National Instruments and University Technology Petronas, ZF India, Sorokosoft, NI, and that's what J Robotics, and many more companies to list, and again Spinco Biotech. So I'm very happy, and I wish that you all will come out with flying colors as your seniors did. So don't worry, be happy, because this is the right place for you to be here. We have seen people like you coming in and going out with flying colors, and that will happen to you also. Believe my words, you have made a very good choice. So we'll have a happy learning together. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the EIE Department. This is Dr. K. Rani. Actually, about my personal details, I have completed my BTech from the Electronic and Instrumentation Engineering from IS College, JNTU, JNTUH, and MTech from the Industrial Process Instrumentation from Andhra University, and awarded PhD is awarded from JNTU Kakinada, and my title is Detection of Brain Tumors. And I have published around 22 papers in various journals and conferences, which they are indexed in Scopus, Web of Sciences. And my research interest is I'm very much interested in doing data science, machine learning, deep learning, and 3D printing. And up to this, I have taught Python language, virtual instrumentation, and neural networks, digital image processing, and biomedical instrumentation. All these are the subjects I have taught to the students. And one more thing, according to this administrative works in the department, I'm looking into the R&D activities of the department and in charge for the show and tell activities. And I'm congratulating all to get the seat in instrumentation technology instrumentation department. Again, I'm telling you all the best for better future.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Harikrishna Moolam, working as Associate Professor in this department. I did my BTech in EIE from JNTU Hyderabad and MTech in Instrumentation and Control Systems from JNTU Kakinada, and presently pursuing PhD in Biomedical Engineering from Usmania University. I started my career with VNR in 2001 and have a total teaching experience of 19 years. I teach subjects like electronic devices and circuits, linear and digital IC applications, control systems, power plant instrumentation, and fiber optics and laser instrumentation, etc. My research interests are biomedical signal processing and control systems. I am working on EOG-based assistive technology, and I have 12 publications to my credit, and I am the life member of ISOI and ISTE. And with this, I welcome all of you to the Department of EIE and VNR VJIT and wish you all the best for your 4 years of learning here. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. I welcome you to the Department of EIE VNR VJIT. Congratulations for having obtained the seat in VNR. Definitely you'll have a bright future. Myself, I am Anita Kulkarni, working as Associate Professor in the Department of EIE VNR since 2002. I have total experience of 20 years. Before joining VNR VJIT, I have worked in DVR College and in other institutes in Karnataka. I have obtained my BTech in PDA Engineering College, Karnataka. I have received MTech degree from JNTU Kakinada. And right now I am pursuing my PhD in Geetham Institute, Vizag. My work of research is channel estimation in wireless mobile communication. So I have papers of 12 in numbers, which include Scopus index journals and as well as conferences. My academic expertise is I teach electronic subjects like electronic devices and circuits, electronic circuit analysis. I have taught number of subjects other than this, like microprocessor, microcontrollers, biomedical instrumentation, sensors, transducers, linear and digital ICs, the list goes like that. And first of all, I would like to tell you that the option you have selected, EIE, is very good, and it will definitely lead to a bright future if you work in the right direction. We have a lot of good facilities in our department, and all the faculty members you are interacting. You have good expertise in various fields like latest fields. So welcome to the Department of EIE and congratulations once again. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is Nageshwar, working as an associate professor in the department. I have been working for the department since last 15 years. I am presently pursuing my PhD degree from JNTU-H, and my research interests are biomedical signal processing. I will be dealing subjects of all instrumentation subjects, mainly analytical, biomedical, fiber optics, and etc. And my research, at my credit, I am having around 12 papers, and my interests are, other than this, what you can see is that subjects, I like to play basketball, and I am a member for ISY, and I'm a departmental coordinator and executive committee member of an ISY student chapter, Hyderabad, and yeah, I am coordinator for you for one of your sections. That is for your complete first year. So that is from my side. I congratulate to all of you and happy journey and happy learning for your entire 4 years career. And go with a flying colors. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Kiran Chakravartula. Some of you may have been seeing my comments in the induction live chat YouTube. I am from the Department of EIE. I'm an associate professor here. I have been working here at VNR VJIT and I've been with the department for about 8 years, just 4 days short of 8 years now today. So welcome you all. I welcome you all to the department and to the BTech. Like everyone said, you actually are really, really, very lucky to be in this branch. And it is our job in the department to ensure that you will feel the same way when you graduate. My background, giving a little brief about that. My BTech was in electronics and instrumentation engineering, of course, like yours is going to be. And my masters were in, I have a Master of Science Engineering in Biomedical Engineering, a Master of Science in Microsystems Engineering, a Master of Science in Applied Physics, and a PhD in Engineering with the Engineering Physics specialization, all done from Louisiana Tech University, USA. And I also completed a PG Diploma in Innovation and Design Thinking from Emeritus Institute of Management in collaboration with MIT, Dartmouth College, and Columbia University in the US. So with this varied background, which was all possible essentially because of a BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, I would welcome you all to the department. And in the department, I am actually also looking into the career vision approach. I'll be addressing you later as a career vision approach coordinator. And at the institute level, I am also the convener for the Institute Innovation Council and also the Global Relationships Officer. So if you have any questions, any ideas about innovations, any questions about your higher studies abroad or anything, well, I'm here very well in the department for you to actually come to and ask questions. And hopefully we'll have a great journey together for the next 4 years, where you'll learn a lot and test your own self and extend your limits and learn to learn more. Together, we can achieve a lot. Let's keep the branch active and enthusiastic. Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering has always been a very active branch with students performing not just in curriculum, but also in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. And like the HOD ma'am was mentioning, winning prizes along the way in various competitions, including hackathons, programming competitions, and also sports and so on. So we hope there are a lot of people here. I know there are at least a few sports people, but I hope you all will start honing your skills above and beyond the curriculum and start excelling because, well, you're in a very excellent branch, that is the Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. Welcome you all.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, I'm D.V. Shobana Priscilla, working as a senior assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation. And I'm working here since 2007 November. And before that, I worked in St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Chennai, and before that, actually, before joining the area of teaching, I actually started my career in as a project associate. For 1 year, I worked in IIT Madras under Dr. V. Jagdish Kumar, Professor of Electrical Department, and I was handling some projects related to DRDO and NIOT, related to pressure capsules and buoy project. And here, actually my BTech was in the area of instrumentation and control systems from Satyabama Engineering College, and my ME was from College of Engineering, Anna University, Guindy. I was actually, I came out from medical electronics, and here I have been teaching subjects related to biomedical instrumentation, process control instrumentation, the principles and applications of nanotechnology, medical electronics, data acquisition systems. So on, like so many subjects I have handled here, and I have gathered some expertise in this area. I mean, in the area of instrumentation and biomedical systems. And my research interests are in the field of neural networks and imaging. And I want to congratulate each and every one of you for having got this opportunity to join here, and all the best for one and all. Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. First of all, I have congratulate all of you for choosing this electronic instrumentation branch. So I'm happy for that you have all chosen this branch. And myself, K. Vijay Chandra, working as a assistant professor in Department of EIE VNR VJIT. And coming to my academic profile, I have done EIE, BTech in EIE from RGM College, Karnool district, and MTech from JNTU Anantapur, and my specialization was digital systems. And I am currently pursuing PhD from VIT Veluru. And coming to my professional experience, I have nearly 12 years of teaching experience, and research I'm doing since 5 years, 5 years of research experience, as I said. And coming to some academic expertise, I have dealt a few subjects like analytical instrumentation, MEMS, and instrumentation control systems, and BMI and II, etc. And coming to this research experience, and now currently, as I said, I am pursuing a PhD from VIT Veluru, and the area was corneal endothelium layer, which is related to the eye, and by using some image processing techniques and all. And I have 15 publications, and now presently I am the department level ED cell coordinator, and presently ETCL coordinator. If anybody want to start their own startup or if they have any business idea, I can guide in that way. You can consult me, and I congratulate once again all of you, and I wish you all the best, and thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aditya, working as assistant professor in the Department of EIE. I have done my BTech in instrumentation and control engineering. I have been in software industry for some time. I have done my MTech in Andhra University with specialization in industrial process instrumentation. And then I am pursuing my PhD in NIT Warangal in the area of process control. I have joined the institute as assistant professor in 2011, and my area of interest is process control, and I work in model-based and fractional order control. I have dealt several instrumentation subjects in the department, and my area of expertise is instrumentation, process instrumentation, and control. I have taught subjects like sensors and signal conditioning, virtual instrumentation, PC-based instrumentation, instrumentation and control systems, fiber optics and laser instrumentation, process control instrumentation, etc. I wish you all the best for your BTech course. Thank you.
Hello. Oh,
etc. I'm the department NAC coordinator and the open house coordinator and also the coordinator for the student achievements. I wish each and every student to have a great learning experience in Vienna. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am G. Vamsi Krishna. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Instrumentation over the last 8 years in this college. I did my undergraduation in this college in the year 2001 to 2005. I did my master's at JNTU University College of Engineering, Kakinada. I am right now pursuing my PhD in Vellore Institute of Technology, VIT, in the area of control systems. I have got an All India Gate rank of 75 in the year 2006, and I have gate scores greater than 500, 4 grade scores greater than 500. My specializations are in control systems area. I have taught the subjects of signal conditioning circuits, PCB process control instrumentation, PC-based instrumentation, and data acquisition systems. I am the alumni coordinator in the department. I wish you all a heartily warm welcome to the family of electronics and instrumentation engineers. Thank you.
One and all. Firstly, let me welcome you in great VNR family in the stream of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, EIE. This is Gopi Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. I have been with the department last 5 years. I did my BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, and I did my MTech in Digital Systems and Computer Electronics in JNTU Anantapur. Currently pursuing PhD in Annamalai University. I had total 10 years of teaching experience and I had 1 year industrial experience. I'm expertised in embedded systems and electronics and instrumentation. I have taught subjects electronics related and instrumentation related as well, like MPMC, microprocessor and microcontroller, DSP, digital signal processing, signals and systems, control systems, artificial neural networks, and signal conditioning circuits, etc. As HOD ma'am has mentioned that a good number of placements will be happening to our branch. If we consider the percentage of placements last since 5 years, it will be approximately 75%. If we consider last 3 years, we have reached the mark 80% of the placements. Briefly, I will tell you how the hiring trends will be nowadays. Companies hiring through competitive channels like coding challenges, national level competitions, etc. For example, if you take TCS, hiring through NQT, Code Vita. So these are the different contests companies are choosing to select the students. Like for example, if you take JPMC, the contest will be Code for Good, Deloitte, Techno. So no need to worry, guys. We will train you accordingly, and I hope you will enjoy opting this stream. All the best. Thank you.
A warm welcome to all the students to the EIE department. I'm Jyotirmay Joshi, working as assistant professor in the EIE department. I completed my BTech from SSG Engineering College and my MTech in Embedded Systems from CVR College of Engineering. Presently pursuing my PhD from Usmania University in the Biomedical Engineering stream. And coming to my professional experience, I have 11 years of total experience. Out of that, 3 years of industrial experience and 8+ of teaching experience. And my research interests are biomedical image processing, IoT, and machine learning. And finally, I welcome you to the department. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations once again. I am Sri Lakshmi, working as assistant professor in the Department of EIE at VNR VJIET. I have completed MTech at SRM University, Chennai, and my teaching experience total includes 13 years of experience, in which 9 years I have worked at SRMU and remaining 4 years at VNR VJIET. and I have total 1 year of PhD experience, and my teaching expertise includes neural networks and fuzzy logic, Internet of Things, virtual instrumentation, and MEMS. And my research interest includes biomedical image processing, and according to the academic responsibilities includes I am department AQR in charge, and as well as the COVID warrior grid in charge for the subzone 70. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. A warm welcome to the department. Myself, Sampurna Lakshmi, working as assistant professor from 4 years at VNR IIT. I have 10 years of experience. So I did my BTech from Babatla Engineering College in the stream of electronics and instrumentation, and my MTech is embedded systems from Sridevi Women's Engineering College. And presently I am pursuing my PhD from Annamalai University in the domain of automation using Internet of Things. Thank you. I welcome all to this department.
Sweta ma'am, you are not audible.
Welcome to Vienna IIT. Myself, Dadpaneni Shweta, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering from 2016 onwards. I had done my BTech in Geetam University, and I had done my MTech at Andhra University, and at present I am pursuing my PhD at Geetam University. And I'm expertise in the subjects like biomedical instrumentation, switching theory and logic design, analytical instrumentation, etc. And presently I'm doing my PhD on MEMS and nanotechnology, and I'm expertise in biomedical instrumentation also. And thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Bhargav, working as assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation from 2016. I have completed my MTech from NIT Rourkela, and right now I am pursuing my PhD from Care University. I am one of the placement coordinator of our department. So myself and Gopi sir will be guiding you throughout this 4 years. We will train you in the various requirements, and later on, so that you are capable enough to compete in each and every competitive exams. And coming to my specialization, I am interested in the subject of biomedical instrumentation, switching theory and logic design. And finally, once again, I wish you all the very best for your future. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am B. Gautam. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of EIE. I've completed my BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering from Bijupatnaik University, Odisha, from 2009. And then I did my MTech in Electronics and Control from SRM University, Chennai. After my MTech, I've joined here, and I've been working here in the Department of EIE as assistant professor. My areas of interest are nanotechnology, MEMS, microelectromechanical systems. I normally teach virtual instrumentation. Also, I teach robotics in the department. Coming to my responsibilities, I am a member of online teaching learning team. During this pandemic, we've been shifting a lot of things into the online mode. So I'll be helping you and guiding you if you face any problems during this online teaching learning. And then if you are also interested in extracurricular activities, I am an institute level in charge for VJ Theatre, which is a short film club. If you are interested, you can also join those activities. I once again welcome you all to our department. I hope you'll all have a very good learning experience with us. Thank you very much.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Rajshekhar, working as a faculty member at the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, VNR VGIT. So I basically work on advanced control theory and modern control systems. And my teaching interests are control element theory, numerical methods, state estimation and system identification, so on and so forth. Thank you, and I to welcome all you to the department. Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon to one. I'm Dr. Senthil Kumar. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of EIE. First of all, I welcome to you all in our EIE family. So, my personal profile, I'm completed my UG Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering in the year of 2005. I completed my MTech Process Control Instrumentation Annamalai University in the year of 2009. So, I have total 11 years experience. So, and I have completed my PhD in robotics field in Anna University, Chennai in the year of 2018. So, I previously worked at a lot of colleges in Tamil Nadu. So, I have joined in Vienna in 2018. So my research field in robotics, I have interest in process control and virtual instrumentation and several fields also. So I have more than 20 plus publication, more than 20 plus technical papers, journals and conferences. And I'm a lifetime and senior member in 7 international associations. So in future, our all faculty members ready to guide you to publish papers and a lot of journals and conferences. So first of all, I just wish you to all to come to join VA department and all the best for your future also. Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon. This is Dhanekalkar Akshay Rangnath. I'm working as an assistant professor in Department of EIE, VNR VGIT. I have around 17 years teaching experience. I did my BTech from North Maharashtra University in instrumentation. Did my MTech from Aurora Engineering College. At present, pursuing PhD from Vellore Institute of Technology in process control. My research areas includes automation, biomedical instrumentation. I completed a research project funded by UGC India. So welcome to VNR VGIT and all the best.
Hello, this is Nagarjuna, assistant professor, working as an assistant professor in the Department of EIE. So I was joined in the department in the 2011. Since then, I was working in here, and I was in charge of process control automation as well as the industrial implementation lab. And I was also the coordinator and the in charge for the CDC competency development cell. You will be knowing soon, right? So thank you guys. All the best.
Experience in the department is 15 years. I handle various labs in the department like EDC, PDC, EC1 and 2, and VI and basic simulation lab and embedded systems labs and other various labs. I welcome you to the department. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Simawala, working as Senior Skilled Assistant in the Department of EIE. I joined VNR EIE in the year 2013. I am handling various electronics labs and various labs. Welcome you all to the Department of EIE. Thank you all.
Hi student, I am myself is P. Naresh Kumar. I'm working as senior skill assistant in EIE department. My UG in JNT Kakinada. My PG pursuing in JNT Hyderabad University. I have dealt so many electronics and instrumentation labs. Congratulations to all. Welcome to EIE department. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the EIE Department of EIE. And I'm working as a computer operator since 5 years in the department. And I wish you, my name is Murli Krishna, and I wish you a warm welcome and a best wishes to all, each and every student.
Good afternoon. I am Durgesh, VNR VJIT, in 23 years VNR College. All the welcome friends. Hi.
దుర్గేష్ తెలుగులో చెప్పు.
సార్
తెలుగులో చెప్పు పర్లేదు.
ఓకే సార్. నేను 23 ఇయర్స్ విఎన్ఆర్ కాలేజ్లో జాయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను జాబ్. ప్రిన్సిపల్ దగ్గర 5 ఇయర్స్, ఈసీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో 10 ఇయర్స్, ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంటేషన్లో 7 ఇయర్స్.
Thank you.
All the students, thank you.
Dear students, please stay back for the department lab AVs.
Welcome to Sensors and Measurements Lab. Sensors and Measurements is the basic instrumentation lab which will be studied in second year. A sensor is a device which will detect an event or change in the environment. It converts a physical phenomena into a measurable voltage which is used for further processing. In this lab, you will gain knowledge about the different types of temperature, displacement, level, pressure, optoelectronic and strain measurement sensors, and the appropriate signal conditioning for the particular sensor is also studied. You will also learn about measuring basic parameters, resistance, capacitance, and inductance using bridges. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify the appropriate sensor suitable to measure a particular parameter in a given application. Of course, sensor is the basic element used in IoT, which is the most important and promising technology topic today. Sensors play an important role in creating solutions using Internet of Things.
Welcome to Analytical Instrumentation Lab.
This lab you are going to utilize in 4th year first sem, and experiments in this lab are done on analytical instruments, namely gas analyzers, spectrophotometers, liquid chromatography, FTIR, milk and protein analyzer. Here you learn principles and theory of modern analytical instruments and hands-on approach with analytical method development, data analysis and interpretation. You will understand the role of the analytical instrumentation engineer in measurement and problem solving in chemical analysis. These analytical instruments are used in pharma industry like Dr. Reddy's, Mylon, Agilent, Waters, etc., and petrochemical industries like HPCL, BPCL and IOCL. Once you get command on these analytical instruments, you will have numerous opportunities. And to choose your career in analytical instrumentation, it is very good enough. I wish you good luck and happy learning in BTech EIE. Thank you.
Welcome to National Instruments Academy Laboratory. It is a multi-purpose laboratory where you are going to learn general purpose programming environments as well as application specific programming environments. Programming environments such as C language and Python are general purpose text based languages. You will learn them as part of your coursework in first and second years. The most popular application specific programming environments are MathWorks MATLAB and National Instruments LabVIEW. The MATLAB software focuses on technical computing and modeling and provides a popular scripting environment for acquiring data from a device and analyzing this data. LabVIEW software focuses on test, measurement, and control functions and provides a rich environment for test and measurement applications. As part of your coursework, you will learn MATLAB in second year first semester in the basic simulation lab and LabVIEW in the third year first semester in the virtual instrumentation lab. Nowadays, programming has become a basic skill, so learn programming and it opens door to numerous opportunities. All the best.
Welcome to Microprocessors and Microcontrollers Laboratory, Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. You will be carried to this lab for MPMC during third year second semester. This lab is equipped with interfacing devices like analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter and LCD display, etc. This laboratory lets you understand the practical aspects of what we call embedded systems, right from understanding what is inside a microprocessor. You, as a student of BTech EIE, have a theory course on this subject, for which this lab provides hands-on experience on understanding the concepts and testing them. What you learn in this lab will also help you in your course projects and major projects too. You will use this laboratory facility for other software learning experiences in your curriculum like programming using C, data structures, basic simulation using MATLAB, AutoCAD for engineering drawing and NI Multisim for electronic circuit simulations. Be creative, put your ideas into test and all that begins here in this lab. Good luck guys.
Welcome to Industrial Instrumentation and Process Control Automation Laboratory. In the third year of your BTech course, you will be practicing the experiments of this lab. Firstly, in Industrial Instrumentation Lab, you will be learning the measurement of various physical parameters like, to name few, humidity, sound and light intensity, also the properties of liquid like viscosity and density measurement. In this lab, the major equipments are stroboscope, gyroscope, accelerometer and vibration setup. With this, you will be learning the basic principles of measurement techniques. Secondly, in Process Control Automation Laboratory, you will be exposed to the best-in-class equipments of industrial automation tools. As we all aware that Siemens is one of the giant in automation field. So we have Siemens Programmable Logic Controllers, PLCs, SCADA, HMI, and many more tools of automation. Unlike the other labs, in this you will be working on simulation as well as hands-on hardware to control the things. As you can see, most of the equipments are scaled down prototypes of real-time industrial process stations. We have flow, level and pressure process stations which are being monitored and controlled by PLC and SCADA. Students can use these laboratory facilities for their assignments, case studies, lab-based projects and for mini or major project works. There is a lot of scope for learning in this lab. from simple to complex problem solving and understanding is assured. Finally, for programming of PLC, we use ladder logic, and I wish this ladder will take you to the success. Thank you.
Welcome to Process Control Instrumentation Laboratory. Basically, 4 essential process parameters are significant in any process industry, which are temperature, flow, level, and pressure. These 4 process parameters need to be regulated using controllers. PID composite controller is imported to regulate the process parameters. All the components in control loop are compliant with industry standards. ABB, Fisher-Rosemount, and Eagle Company components installed in our laboratory to regulate the process control loops. The behavior analysis of these process control loops are analyzed in order to enhance the loop stability. This lab is much significant and essential for any process industrial applications in order to minimize the product variability and to achieve meticulous production rate.
Welcome to the freshers of 2020 to Electronic Circuits 1 lab of EIE Department. EC1 lab is introduced to you in second year, first semester of your curriculum. The lab is all about learning and working with various electronic devices. Here we demonstrate the working of various electronic devices like PN junction diode, transistors, and so on. You also design AC to DC converter, filter circuits, regulator circuits, and so on. Here you also learn to design amplifiers, oscillators, and several other circuits, the knowledge of which leads you to implement simple projects in electronics. This knowledge also helps you to apply in your future projects and applications. Welcome to the Department of EIE. Thank you.